Welcome to your guide for the UA Legend Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. First, we'll take a look at how to install the carrier for vehicles with side rails. This will work on most types of vehicles, including sedans and SUVs. When you unpack your kit, you will see the carrier bag, protection mat, and TSA lock. You will also see a series of hooks and straps. These are the ones you will use for cars with rails. Start by locating the anti-slip protective mat and place it on top of your car. Unfold your carrier on top of the mat, with the zips facing the rear of the vehicle. You can now fill your carrier with all of your cargo. A UA Legend rooftop carrier can hold a wide variety of items, including 4 large suitcases, 3 medium suitcases, and 4 sleeping bags in a single trip. Step 1. Simply loop the strap around the rail and through itself. Thread the strap up through the furthest adjustment hole in the buckle and down through into the closest. Firmly pull and use the Velcro to hold the strap in place. Repeat this with the other straps. If your car does not have side rails, these are the straps and hooks you will be using to secure the carrier bag to your vehicle. After the mat and bag are positioned and filled, start by inserting the hook strap through the main strap loop and pulling tightly. Now open the car doors and gently pull down the rubber weather seal to secure the carrier hook in place. After you have attached the hook to the window frame, thread the strap up through the furthest adjustment hole in the buckle and down through into the closest. Pull the main strap down firmly and attach the Velcro to finalize. Repeat this with the other straps. When it's time to pack down, it couldn't be easier. Simply fold your rooftop cargo carrier and store it in its made-to-fit special storage bag. You are all set to go. Visit ualegend.com today.